All right, so today we got a 4320. It's batteries are get them good and hot after you charge them. You crank it up and run it for a little while. Turn it off. Try to crank it back up. It's just like it's got bad batteries on it, but it was doing that just as soon as we swapped the batteries back out the last time. So I had to start checking grounds and see if one of these circuit breakers isn't bad on it, but I'm gonna try to get some light in here. I'll be back. I had it bought it last year sometime. Whenever I was doing the batteries.
I got one up at the shop, but I don't know if it's any good enough. Some co-op somebody gave it to me. I got a new one. Working on it. You can see it.
I don't think it's any difference in them.
It looks the same, man, just a whole lot older.
Checking okay as far as voltage.
A little less voltage than the other side of that. It was over 6 volts though.
That one's fine.
Loaded something like that.
You're not supposed to hold it longer than 10 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
So that one's in good shape. Oh, get back on there before you fall off.
Don't forget about that, that's the one that falls off.
Yeah, I know, that's why I pushed it back.
Wire something tied.
I guess I need a screwdriver to split that up open a little bit. This is a short one that goes right to the frame. Ain't got much give. Of course, if I'd have got a real screwdriver, it probably would have helped too. Said if I got a real screwdriver, it probably would have helped.
You get a Phillips?
No, I just got a small flathead. I got it. I say I got it. I got it. All right, don't fall off. That's why you got everybody mad at you. So maybe that's why everybody's mad at you. You keep winning all the damn trophies. That was good too. So I'm gonna say we're wiring or in the starter, so we can figure that out after lunch. All right, both our batteries checked out good, so get everything hooked back up.
That cable goes to the starter on the other side?
Yeah, the front one is the one that goes to the starter.
Yeah. clip, like. The John Deere boxes, but they don't mean to. They don't make them like they used to.
Oh, there's paint's rusting off the bottom of them, so I'm sure that's got the
They don't stay. They don't
metal tweaked. All right, so this panel here needs to come off, I guess.
Screwdriver.
So I just needed you to come over here. That's all I needed.
Just a clip over there. Back. Clips on the back.
Oh. Just a rat's nest of some wiring. I'm not sure which one that is. So I wonder this thing even starts the first time. See, this wire right here should be going over to the starter, coming off the main harness, which is right here. That's where it goes over the firewall and splits off into this one and runs across between the block and the console. Here's our circuit breaker I was looking for on this side. That wire coming, harness coming across here that dropped off the main harness comes right back in here and comes up to this bracket. So I'm going to take these two bolts right here off and pull that bracket off, and then everything, circuit breakers will come off right there. This one's slotted, so it just has to be loosened. Like that. This is what I was looking for. I was thinking it was on the other side.
Hey, where's your rain so far?
Oh yeah.
What are you looking for?
I was looking for these.
Those ones gone out of them. These big bugs.
Stuff coming in the bottom. 12 going through that one. Assume that one don't get hot till the key comes on. I don't know, it's about aggravating.
Yeah.
Well, I got a smaller wire going to a little circuit breaker right here. This, I'm sure it's coming from the switch, but I don't have anything on it. Turn the key switch on. Turn it over. All right, hold it over.
Alright.
All right, I'm getting 12 to the circuit breaker when you turn it over. How, I don't know, but it is.
I see all kinds of wires hanging loose on here.
That's light wires. It's another relay right there, hooked onto the firewall, and then that one dangling. Is the key on?
Nope.
Turn it on.
No.
Nothing there. I ought to be getting 12 right there at that post. I'm gonna take them off and clean them.
I don't know what that other. What's that one does?
Well, it's just got 12 when you turn the key over to start.
That's a relay. I mean, that's a
Circuit breaker.
circuit
right there.
breaker, and then that's a relay. Or a switch.
Don't need to touch anything. Find a wire brush. That's pretty nasty.
I hope I got that wire on. I don't know if I got this part or not. But I'm supposed to have all the main harness. There's so many darn wires on that cow. It's hard to pick up. bought it.
Oh, was this one at 148 come off of?
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
Wood all beat up. It's wood to go down up there at the shop. Need to get it squared away, put it back on the station.
This is one that come off the one that's sitting outside and
Yeah.
had the cab on it.
Yeah. You put it on that one you straight up at that factory door.
Yeah. Told me to come get a field cultivator to air it out, and I got back up there. Mr. Harris was up there on the D6 pushing it around. He done gone to Tibbs and come back before I got back out there. Well, this couldn't have hurt. They're pretty nasty.
Cell on might be there. Something thing. Well, I don't get the voltage. And it's tried to crank the second time, so we got voltage everywhere else, but it's in the starter, I guess. And we'll get that thing to work again. I looked up when I found that tire for the, on the left side. It had the brand new one on the right side, and I found this tire here. Longtown.
Yeah.
But it had the bark part down to the ground where you couldn't see it. I didn't know it had a burn spot on it. I was lucky it didn't burn it bad enough to ruin the tire.
Yeah.
It just cosmetic. It was nice, but it was just it was a brand new tire. I guess somebody's insurance paid for it. It matched my tractor perfect. You say you had this charger all apart, couldn't get the fan to run, huh?
No, it's a circuit board or relay or something in there that you can't get anymore. So then I was trying to go around it, and whatever little it would do, it quit doing. So